Hello. Hello world. Hello new camera. Hello new flat. It's the first time I've really used this camera. Had a little diddle about with it. Diddle a word? Is now. Had a little play about with it at the weekend, but we went out on Saturday and spent yesterday just not doing a lot at all apart from watching films. And today's Monday, been back to work. Not going to the gym because still kind of recovering. But anyway, this is the new place. Oh, keep going dark. But anyway, this is the new place. Give you a little tour. Massive sofa. Pretty decent view. Shame about the clouds today. Nice little TV. This is our bedroom. Excuse the mess. We are just in there temporarily as the girl who normally lives there is stuck in Ireland because she can't get a second visa back to Australia. So there's not much storage, so we're sort of living out of bags still until we go and do the East Coast in a few weeks. I think we have 3 or 4 more weeks here. So we're just working, save a bit more money, and then we're going to go fly to Cairns and head down the East Coast back to Sydney until we fly home. Not long. Anyway. On with the tour. This is our kitchen, all very nice. And the bathroom. It's really cool living here. We are literally a 2-minute walk to Mascot Station, so we can be in the city in no time. Takes me 15 minutes to get to work, maximum. That's if I'm dawdling. And Charlotte is just 1-2 stops away maybe as well, so it's easy for her. And it's just a nice place to be living. Shame we're not here for very long. Own private pool. Nobody in here. There was one guy in here when I came in, but that was it. Rarely do you see anybody in here. It's amazing. Same with the gym, just across there. It's Saturday morning, Charlotte's at work for the day. I'm gonna do some laps. I'm gonna do some laps and kill some time before she gets home, and then probably go for some food somewhere. Unlucky for some. Unlucky for my face, I've got these goggle marks. I don't know if you can see them. I need to do something with my hair as well because this looks a mess. Very dodgy balanced. dodgily? Dodgily? Don't know. Anyway, you're resting on a chocolate bar. Swimming done. And now I'm just chilling and enjoying the lovely Saturday morning that this is. Look at this. It's starting to get like this again every single day. Oh, I keep putting my knee there, but I'm so relaxed. Look how relaxed I am. Why isn't it like this in the UK? So I'm going to have my... protein milk, because obviously I'm a games athlete. I'm so CrossFit. Just going to try and put a bit of this footage together off the new camera. Stick it on there. Wait for Shah to get back from work. And hopefully enjoy the sun if it's still out. We'll see. But it's looking like a good day. I should have explained as well, that pool is in our new flat block, apartment block. So you can just use it whenever you want, and the gym. And I need to cancel Anytime Fitness because I'm still paying for that, even though I haven't been since probably before New Zealand. I could save a bit of money there, but I'm lazy. Games!
Is that recording now?
Can you tell me? It's allowed seconds on the top.
It's got inches, 5 inches, 6 inches. Well, then if I flip it like this, does it change to me? Oh.
No, you have to turn it around. Keep it like that. And now just turn it around to you. It's just you can see it.
Oh! You got to look in there. Getting used to this new camera. Just by the Opera House. But I can't see where it's going otherwise. Mr.
Professional cameraman?
Yeah, professional cameraman over there. Very cute. It made me miss teaching.
Where is he from?
I think Australia. He's very tanned and like brown haired, but his dad was Australian, so I think he was Australian. I'm guessing. Didn't see the mother, so I don't know.
Pick it up again and drink it.
The connectivity is still there. The relationship is in place.
Look, here.
Yeah, I'm looking there.
Here.
That's what I'm looking.
I just wanna know why you ain't never had a poo in your trailer. Poo in your trailer.
On a scale,
What?
I was going to say, on a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are... Oh, hang on, I'm going to do it.
I just wanna know why you ain't never had a poo in your trailer. You didn't recall?
I have now.
Did you do that bit just then?
No, I did the poo in the trailer bit, but I didn't do the bit where you turned away and then went, poo in your trailer, poo in your trailer.
What
Okay,
can I ask?
on a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you for your Belgian waffle?
Oh, is 11 out of 10 a thing?
No, it's not, that's why I said 10 out of 10. Beep. Oh, hang on, half an hour later. That's what we're getting. Oh, I might add halloumi.
Gone there. I just wanna know why you would never care. Poo in your trailer. Oh, poo in your trailer.
All these vlogs are is food. Hey? Nice. We're doing the Bondi to Coogee walk again for the second time. My second time, Charlotte's
Third or fourth?
third or fourth time. We done it way back in December in the height of the summer when we first got here. And it's just as beautiful today. Spring's coming round. Blue skies and babes. Might have to say goodbye here. The battery is flashing. Anyway, you can see how beautiful it is. Why didn't I charge my battery? Whoa! Yeah, until the next one. Goodbye.
Bye.
It's a goodbye from me.
And it's a goodbye from me.
That's some strong current.
Cold?
No, it's refreshing. Very
strong
refreshing.
current.
It's not black current, it's strong current.
I'm going to do an ice cold Viperina.
Slipping all over the world. I love this place. Had a swim, the battery lasted a little while. So now we're back at Bondi. I need water.
An ice cold can is so good.
I was going to say ice cream.